It was so outside. It was so bizarre and so grotesque. So she said, she took it away and she showed it to me. She said, "Way to go, Johnny, you broke my nose. You broke my nose." And then I pulled the Kleenex out of the trash bin, and I inspected it pretty closely and realized that it was nail polish. It was nail varnish or polish.
So it's fair to say that she has not donated $3.5 million as of today to the ACLU, true?
True.
There was at one point where I'd stayed in one of the, sitting on a bathroom floor, door locked, she's banging away, screaming, blah, 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 and then suddenly she stopped.
He was hitting me, and he was hitting me hard and repeatedly, and I was screaming. Security walks in, and they don't do anything.
A respected artist whose name was associated with success, today his name is associated with a lie, a false statement uttered by the defendant, Amber Heard.
This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship with Johnny Depp. She's an actor. Do you honestly think she would have left her apartment ever?
Did you know Amber Heard lied around 7 times while under oath? Also, did you get a chance to see how mad the judge was when he caught Amber lying for the 7th time? Don't go anywhere, we have all the deets for you today. In the end, Johnny Depp has had enough of Amber's games and wants to leave her alone. If you want to get more specific, Johnny Depp wants to show that Amber Heard has been lying to the public about the abuse claims that she made up against him. As of right now, there is no verdict that can be given for a number of reasons. As a result, the UK libel case shows that she lied to lawyers, and other people will explain it to you. But that's not all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon so you don't miss out on the newest celeb tea. The first lie under oath is both funny and ironic, but trust us when we say that it doesn't matter in the long run. Amber Heard's lawyers said that to hide the bruises that Johnny Depp apparently inflicted, she would use a lot of different types of makeup. A Milani kit was one of the kits her lawyers used as proof. They showed the jury in those opening statements. Things started to get a lot more interesting when they started. This is how it worked out. Milani Cosmetics made a TikTok video where they posted a page contradicting what Heard's lawyers was selling and telling you. They released that the correcting kit didn't go on sale until December of 2017. This launch happened a year after the alleged abuse. It would be a sad day when a makeup company makes fun of people who have been abused and are hiding the effects using the makeup. But this is not what Milani did. To say it another way, they were doing it to point out the facts. Amber Heard claimed to be using this type of makeup, but it didn't exist when she said she used it. This could be a simple mistake, but it can definitely cost them the case. There was a second time when Amber told a lie about how much money she had donated. People say Amber Heard did not give the $7 million divorce settlement she got from Johnny Depp to the ACLU and Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, even though she said in a UK High Court that she did.
So it's fair to say that she has not donated $3.5 million as of today to the ACLU, true?
True.
Following their divorce settlement in 2015, Heard was said that she would split the money and give it to 2 different charities. However, the ACLU's general counsel, Terrence Doherty, said in a video deposition that Heard never gave the group the $3.5 million she had agreed to give them. When the ACLU asked about this in an email in 2016, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that payments would be made over 10 years. This was also revealed in an email which was sent in 2016. During a question, Doherty also said that Musk was representing this on behalf of Ms. Heard. He said because the Tesla CEO had a previous relationship with the group. When the organization reached out to Heard in 2019 to ask for payment, we found out that she was having money problems. She told a court in the UK that she would be giving the settlement money to the organizations, but their testimony showed that she had lied. Another one of her lies got her in trouble. Heard was caught sneaking her dogs into a country, which is against the law. It is said that Depp didn't know what was going on until it all fell apart. In the beginning, Heard said she had nothing to do with this. Later, she made a post that made fun of her smuggling them in, saying, "Some old habits die hard." Kevin Murphy and Kate James told the court in London that she knew she couldn't bring the dogs with her, but she did it anyway. Even though Kevin's job was at risk because of the threats, he even admitted to lying in the London court. Another time Amber lied was when she told everyone in court that Johnny Depp hit her during a fight, but it wasn't true at all. Depp had allegedly headbutted her, but Depp said that he would vehemently disagree with this allegation, adding that he was only trying to keep her from getting too close to him at the time. He said if she's moving around like that and he's trying to restrain her, their heads might have hit, but he did not headbutt her. The next lie Amber told was a really bad one. Warning, this one has to do with poop. Johnny Depp said that while Amber Heard was at Coachella, he went back to their penthouse they shared to pack up his things because she wasn't home.
She's at Coachella. I think it's a good time to go downtown so that I can get some of my things, and get them out of there.
When he went over to the bed, his bodyguard told him there were fecal matter in the bed.
And then he showed me a photograph on his telephone of, it was a photograph of the bed. My side of the bed was human fecal matter.
In court, Johnny Depp said, "This was as absurd, grotesque, and cruel as it could be."
It was so outside. It was so bizarre and so grotesque.
And she just kept lying, saying that the poop was from their dogs and not hers. But if you saw the pictures on the internet, we can say, as well as Depp did, that that was not the case. Their dogs are way too tiny and they can't poop that big. All of this came out during Depp's testimony in court the other day, and it was very interesting. Johnny Depp takes the stand and talks about an argument that led to Amber Heard lying about having a broken nose. According to Fox, the actor started by telling how Amber once attacked him in his home office, and she said that Depp had broke her nose during a fight. Depp remembers hearing Heard say, "Way to go, Johnny, you broke my nose."
But me, I know that there was no connection to her nose. No part of my body made connection to her nose or eyes or anything like. So she said, she took it away and she showed it to me. She said, "Way to go, Johnny, you broke my nose. You broke my nose."
After which he sneaked into her bathroom and took the Kleenex out of the trash can. He said, "I looked at it very closely and found out it was nail polish or nail varnish."
And left the room. Went somewhere downstairs, I think, I don't know. And then I pulled the Kleenex out of the trash bin. And I inspected it pretty closely and realized that it was nail polish. It was nail varnish or polish.
Playing with fake blood? Are you kidding me? You aren't ready for the last one. Before we move on to that, let's see what's really going on here. Why does she keep lying? Depp has taken his ex-wife to court for $50 million in defamation. When they broke up 5 years ago, she chose to lie about him for her own personal gain, Johnny Depp's lawyer said on April 12th. In 2018, she wrote an essay for the Washington Post saying that she was a public figure for domestic abuse. This piece did not call out Johnny Depp by name, but Depp's lawyers have said in court documents that Heard's piece was part of a well-planned hoax, and blatantly obvious that she was speaking about him. It was also said in court documents that Heard made up her story in order to get good publicity and move her career forward. It was a few days before the trial started that Heard made an Instagram post that she rarely does. She said that she was taking a break from social media and she didn't say for how long. As of April 9th, she went on Instagram to give her quote-unquote followers some news. She said, "When this case is over, hopefully I and Johnny will be able to move on with our lives." The last lie was so mean and heinous that a lot of people felt really sorry for Johnny Depp. Amber Heard told James Corden on The Late Show in 2015 that Johnny Depp had given her 2 black eyes. However, her stylist, Samantha McMillan, says that Amber Heard didn't have any visible marks, bruises, or cuts on her face when she went to work that day. This was the first lie that she told in front of people and in court. And then she went to court a few years later and told another lie about how he had hurt her. Depp's friend, who she met the next day, told the court and the media that she didn't have any bruises. In 2016, Amber Heard and Johnny Depp got into a fight, and Heard said that she was assaulted by Depp when he hit her. During their visit, police officers said they didn't see any marks on her face. Are you as tired as I am about all these lies? That's it for today, folks. Check out these other videos that we have for you, and stay tuned for more updates. Goodbye for now.